fold the one, it's broken, so it's glued. Yeah.
Thank you.
Come off target.
All right. You ready to do this?
So you can know where you're at.
Okay. Sure, ready.
Yeah.
Stand by.
It's windy. You were gone.
One.
Put me under the next shooter. So whoever.
Two.
Hit. Hi, Robert.
Who's next?
Three.
No, he's seen it.
Four.
They're watching the shot.
That looked like hit. Five.
7. 4.
Six. Hit.
No, I'm gonna shoot.
Seven. Eight. Hit. Nine. 10. 11. That was a good one. Sorry.
Missed it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do we?
12.
Hit.
13. 14. 15. You are done. Unload, show clear, you stupid bastard that beat me with the iron sights.
That was a lot harder than I thought it would be.
101.03. That's actually a really good score. Watch your muzzle. Watch your muzzle.
I've heard that before.
1.
I got cash money right here.
Is it high?
I can't see it.
Find something cool that's on.
2.
That's it.
3.
Hit.
4. Yeah.
Where's it heading?
I can't see it. High.
Hit.
5. Low. 6.
Hit.
One more on top.
You not seeing it?
I am not seeing it. That's low, right.
Moving on.
Moving on. Nice muzzle. And you're done.
Yes! I think I
And then he comes and does this break for it, so. Yeah.
You can bring me a 300 black.
High left. 1. Low right. That's 2.
Moving on.
Moving on. Right.
Moving on.
Moving
Skipping
on.
the next one. Middle range.
Okay. And you're done. I count 5. That's 118.83. This one's kicking a lot of people's ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're up next, kick.
I don't know. I think you might have to
David.
This is that 300 black, whatever. So it's a 2 shell. And then these.
Stand by. Hit 1. High. Two. Three. Four.
I'm moving.
Moving. That's 5.
Moving.
Moving. Six. Seven. 8. 9. Stop. For whatever reason, the timer did not go off and I didn't hear it beep at 120. We're at 135 right now. All right. Do you understand the course fire?
Sorta.
Is shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
You want me to write your score for you, Jim?
Good,
Oh,
yeah.
that's just
It's
bright.
technically not cheating if I do it.
You know, it's not actually that way.
High left.
What would I do with it?
High.
I'm thinking something like this where not many people are going to hit.
Oh, that's actually.
Stovepipe. You got a double feed going on too. And you're done.
Sweet! Wait, did I get 0?
Yep.
All right.
I didn't want to taint the score.
A nuisance is a genius. 0. 0 and 106.92.
Awesome.
Yes.
I can't see the target. No, because look through it. Look through it. Trust me.
Look, I'm trying to trust you. I just want to see. Oh God, that thing's like a, what is that? A 500 MOA? 500.
It's not an MOA, dude. It's a screen. That's what it is. Anyway.
Actually, it's HOA, hour of angle.
Yeah, you could have used your iron sights.
Which I did not bother to sight in.
That thing fills out too.
Awesome.
That was awesome.
Alright. Point blank's just the color of the target, dude. It's just that thing.
Alright.
Alright.
Shooter ready.
I think so.
Alright. Stand by.
And you know what's sad? I didn't move on because that was the biggest target too.
You gotta take 2 shots.
Yeah, but I was like, hit that.
Low. 1.
Although,
2.
Dude, that one,
I did get a little lost right there.
3.
Yep.
What's the 91s?
High. High right. Right.
Moving.
Moving on.
Yeah.
Didn't even get that.
You're all right.
Moving on to the big one.
Moving on to the big one.
So much morphine, I can't. It's come across with that.
Come left.
That's it. 4.
An SWR.
I will not.
Come left. Up.
Moving.
Okay. Right before the match, he's like conjuring. Come left. He's like long range, medium range.
There you go. That's 5.
It's just for ridiculousness. That's where I kill him.
Done. 5 for 118.73.
You totally destroyed my score, Bill. Totally.
Yeah, but whoever painted orange targets for an orange dot is a mess.
Yeah, you know, because I totally planned that one out.
I want to pick up my